viral videos niya na sobrang laugh trip. And I always knew he's a very talented director and just so much potential. At dito talaga sa pelikulang ito, sa collab, na-unleash at nakita ng mundo kung gaano magaling si Jill bilang isang director at bilang isang kwentista. You know, filmmaking is a very different endeavor talaga. Ang dami kinakailangang isipin. And the burden is more difficult sa mga first-time filmmakers. And for that alone, maliban pa sa exceptional talent that he has, we need to give Direk Jill a round of applause. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat, syempre, ayan, Direk Jill, thank you so much. Gusto kong magpasalamat also sa cast and crew at sa lahat ng mga tumulong. Alam niyo, si Direk Jill nung sinabi sa akin na may chance na si Kira, si Jameson, at si Kaylee at si Alexa ang mag-lead ng pelikulang ito. Alam niyo yun kung gaano ako ka-excited. I've been a believer of these talents from the very start. And kind of Pure Gold, when we found out talagang ibang level ng excitement. So sa ating mga lead actors, na lahat nominated for acting awards, ha? Lahat nominated. So congratulations talaga. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam seeing your talent on big screen. And again, maraming salamat sa lahat. Pasalamatan ko lang ang Gateway, syempre, Pure Gold, Direk, thank you. Gateway Cineplex 18 sa pagbibigay sa atin ng buong cinema na to. CMD sa technical support. Nagkaroon tayo ng magandang pelikula sa tulong ng CMD. Sa student shorts naman, we have MFP, ang post-production house na Terminal 6, Mobile Fan, at syempre NTRCB at iba pang mga brands na nasa likod ng Pure Gold Cine Panalo 2025. Again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at enjoy the movie.
Round of applause, please! Okay, back to Direk Jill, along with all the cast and crew behind.
Ito pa lang pala.
Masyado
akong excited. Shit, nakakahiya. Di-edit out yun. Sobrang overwhelmed lang po talaga ako kasi galing kami sa Lamay kagabi. Brilliant marketing, by the way. Last fight ultima. Sobrang salamat. Salamat sa suporta! Yun, tama po si Direk Chris kanina. So, this is what not giving up on your dreams feels like pala. Sobrang saya. Nakailang beses akong mag-try na gumawa ng pelikula. For some reason, hindi siya natutuloy. And, yeah. Nung hindi siya makapaniwala na si Alex, Jameson, and Kira yung magiging artista namin, hindi din po ako makapaniwala na tinanggap nila daw. So, sobrang salamat sa inyo. And congratulations, by the way, sa Best Actor nomination. Thank you so much. And, bigay ka na. Thank you everyone!
Ayun, thank you ulit, Direk, for getting us. Dito ka muna, Direk. Yeah, sobrang thankful ako na ito yung debut film mo and kasama ako dito. I'm happy to be a part of one of your life's milestones. Wow, life's milestones. Thank you din to sa lahat po ng crew na nag-alaga po sa amin. Thank you to the camera crew, to the audio crew, to of course the utility crew. Thank you to my co-actors, Jameson, si Kira, who's in PBB, and Alexa, who's doing the one sa Dilim right now. That's why they could make it. Thank you so much din sa mga fans namin, ni Alexa, Sweetheart. And of course, my cadence yung solids ko po. Thank you so much po. And solids din ni Alexa. Thank you. Ayun. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the film. Thank you din Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival 2025 for thank you because I'm very grateful to be a part of this. This is my first time being a part of a film festival and yes, more power to everybody.
Hello everyone, good evening sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for making the time and being here to support Co-Love. I just want to say thank you to Pure Gold, Cine Panalo, for giving this opportunity to us to make this film, to do this film. And sayang wala si Kira and Alexa. Pero I'm sure they'll be happy to see you all here. So again, thanks for being here. Hope you all enjoy Cool Love.
Direk Jill, can you please introduce your crew as well? Could you have them come down here and join them on the floor so we can
Alright, sige, tawagin ko muna mga Yummy Boys. Si Jason, si Jervin, si AR, and si Ace, and si Lico. Yes, give it up guys, the Yummy Boys! And of course, Tita Cecil Bravo is also part of the cast. Yan. Tonico! Si Tonico, where's Tonico? Ayun. And si... Clyde, si... yung host natin, and Rose. Si Miss Joyce, ang mami ni Peach. Si Miss Joyce. Ayun, yun siya. So, crew, I would like to call on Reza, our line producer, to introduce Reza. Teresa. XCR lang. Okay, balakpakan natin siya pagbalik niya. Paul Vito, our poster designer and our official photographer. Paul Vito, there you go. Miss France, of course. Oh, yan o. Front row, Pam, thank you so much. Pam, and everyone. Ay, Juliana. Si Juliana, Ariana, Charlotte, kapatid siya ni KD sa film. And doon. Oo nga. Reza. Okay, may sasabihin lang po sila Tita Cecil.
So, good evening po sa inyo lahat. First of all, thank you very much sa support nyo. At syempre nga sabi nga first time. Marami rin sa amin first time. Ako din first time ko. Magka-artista, my God. Kaya ayan, nandito yung mga friends ko. Thank you very much. Yung hindi pa nakapanood, gano'n din naman maganda talaga yung movie. It was done beautifully and all the actors and actresses na sasabihin natin na gumanap dito. They did give justice sa role nila. And yun na nga, we are praying na bukod sa talagang tangkilikin nyo to, yung di mga iba din nating mga Pilipinong pelikula kasi pinaghirapan niya lahat ng bawat isa. And as always, thank you very much sa inyo dahil malaking tulong to sa amin lahat. God bless us all.
Tatawagin ko na po yung aming cinematographer, Director of Photography, Mr. Alex Espartero. Lord. Nandito naman si Reza, tapos siya mag-CR.
Namamadali natin ang
Si Reza, aming pinakamagandang live producer na nag-handle ng crew. Next. Kwento mo na yung journey natin.
Mayayain ako. Yun, bali, kasi bali start. Nito kasi kinausap ko ni Direk Sheila. May gusto siyang gawin ng pelikula to for entry. Then, syempre, ginawa na, nagkwento kami pa ng concept. Then, shoot lang kami. Baga para kami lang. Tapos, yun, hindi namin nakalain na papasok na. Yun yung talaga. Sorry, medyo mahihain po ako. Pasensya na.
Si Reza, yun na yung producer namin. Salamat. And of course, oh my God. So, our editor, Miss Vanessa Ubas de Leon. Patawarin po ako. Ako ba kasi? Umihi kasi yung live producer natin. Pasensya na po. Ako ba nakalimutan ko? Ako nag-direct nito eh. Pag 99 times ko na po ito mapapanood tonight, minsan nakakalimutan ko po talaga. Yes, ayan. Sir RS, sobrang salamat po sa lahat ng suporta. Binili niya po yung buong gateway, ladies and gentlemen.
I love you po pa. Pagkikinig natin ang mga pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po. Miracle, Sine Panalo. Salamat po.
Ipapasa ko na yung microphone kay Ressa.
Nandito rin po yung production designer namin, si Kenneth.
Kenneth, bati na tayo! Kenneth!
Tsaka yung mga production associates po namin, si Emmy at saka si Bo. Ayan. Yan po yung mga gumawa ng video.
Pasensya na po, weird ko Oy, Miami Boys, sasabihin mo ba?
Thank you. Hi guys, I'm one of the Miami Boys and thank you po sa suporta at pagtangkilik. And thank you Sir Direk Jill Ordaneta sa opportunity of course and sa Sine Panalo. Thank you.
Alright, and with the cast and crew behind Golub here on the floor with us, we would like to take the opportunity to award the official Pure Gold Sine Panalo Certificate of Participation to Direk Jill Singson Ordaneta. And on stage, Pure Gold Sine Panalo Festival Director, Direk Chris Kahilig, along with Pure Gold Senior Marketing Manager and Festival Chair, Ms. Ivy Piedad, who award the certificate.
Babasahin pa. Again, this is Pure Gold Sine Panalo Film Festival 2025 Certificate of Participation. This certificate is hereby awarded to Jill Singson Ordaneta for the film Collab in appreciation of their participation in the 2025 Pure Gold Sine Panalo Film Festival. Given on the 16th day of March 2025 at the Gateway Cinemas in Araneta Center, Quezon City, signed yours truly, Chris Kahilig, Festival Director, Ms. Ivy Hayagan Piedad, Senior Marketing Manager, Pure Gold Prize Club Inc. and Festival Chair, and of course, Mr. Vincent Co, President of Pure Gold Prize Club Inc. Congratulations, Direk Jill.
Everyone, please together for a quick photo op with the team behind Golub.